Let's address it directly. Is the Publishing Academy a scam? If you Googled that, I don't blame you. There are a lot of garbage programs online promising overnight success and passive income with little or no work. So if you're questioning this, that's a good thing. So let's break it down. We have two things: the Publish and Profit 3-day challenge, which is completely for free. And then we have the Publishing Academy, which is my paid online education program for people who have gone through the free challenge already. And now they're looking for structure, support, and faster execution. So the two programs, they are connected, but they're not the same by any means. But if teaching you how to do this business model and publish a book for free is a scam, then I guess it is. Hey everybody, if you are brand new to the channel, my name is Emeka and this is the Publishing Academy's YouTube channel. And the goal here is to give you the best and online information that I can about the Amazon KDP self-publishing space, with the hopes that you can take all this free information, go make some money with it, and then one day you and me can work together so I can help you scale to $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 a month like a lot of our students. So the purpose of this video is, if you've been Googling like, hey, is self-publishing a scam, or is the profit formula a scam, or is the Publishing Academy a scam, this video is going to kind of break everything down and show you what's the difference between the different programs and which one is right for you. So let's first define what a scam is. A scam is when you give somebody money and you get nothing in return, or you don't get what you paid for in return. That's the definition of a scam. So the first thing that we offer is the Publish and Profit 3-day challenge. This is a completely free challenge that you can go through that will teach you how to find a topic to write a book on, how to structure that book, how to publish that book on Amazon, and then how to make your first few sales with said book completely 100% for free. You don't pay me a penny for this. It is a free thing that you can go and use and on your own time. It's go at your own pace. There is a group where you can join the group and get like structured support and ask questions, and I'm in there as well, so you can get some feedback. And that's all done 100% for free. The reason being is I don't want people paying me money who are not fully committed in this business model. So this is a way that you right now can go through, you can find out, is self-publishing worth it? Is this KDP thing good? Am I good enough to publish a book on Amazon? You can do all of that 100% for free without paying me a penny, without paying anybody else a penny. You can test it out for yourself for free. So by all means, if you consider that a scam, then I guess it's a scam. But I've been doing this long enough, 10 years now. The biggest objection, I guess, in people's way, it's not, is this a scam? It's, can I actually do this? And so that's why we've structured our funnel, is what it is, in a way that it allows you to actually test out the business model. My paid program, I took the core components of it and I filtered it down to this 3-day challenge to show you how to publish a book. You get to see my teaching methods. You get to see how I structure everything and exactly how I do this all 100% for free in this 3-day challenge. That's what it's there for. And then if you like it, guess what you're able to do? You can upgrade to the paid program, because at that point, guess what you've done? You've proven to yourself you've published a book. You've probably already made some money with that book. So those of you who want to upgrade and like, you know, okay, Mecca, let's throw the rockets on us and get going way faster. That's what the paid program is designed to do. So what is the 3-day challenge actually? Basically, I want you to picture this. Instead of having to go through the endless YouTube videos of watching all the crazy videos on Amazon KDP, you get to go through a structured 3-day program with 3 or 4 videos that show you how to do everything from step 1 to step 5. It's like not a lot of steps. I made it really simple, but you go step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, publish. Like it's idiot proof. That's what you get to do instead of having to like, how do I enter keywords on Amazon, right? And then like, how do I find a topic, and searching all the endless YouTube videos and getting so confused. I've eliminated all of that with the 3-day challenge. That's what it's there for. So once again, to sum it all up, the 3-day challenge We'll show you how to find a topic, write a book, publish a book, and profit from that book, all without having to buy a course first. That's what it's there for. So if you want to do that, guess what? There's a link in the description. Go join that. Now, what's the difference between the 3-day challenge and the Publishing Academy, the profit formula, my paid program? The Publishing Academy is an online education program that shows you how to scale your publishing business. Whether you're a brand new beginner or you've been doing this for a decade like I have, it helps you take things to the next level. It's way more structured, it's way bigger, and it's way more involved. And like I said, it's designed for people. They've gone through the free challenge, they've published a book, or they haven't, and they're just ready to commit. And they want more structure, they want more speed, they want more contact with me. That's what the Publishing Academy is all about. It's structured support, it's not basic information. It's accountability, it's systems, it's feedback each and every week, right? It's speed and optimization. It's help running ads profitably. It's help avoiding costly mistakes when you're publishing your books. And it's help to maximize the profit that you get from every single book that you publish. That's what we do inside the actual paid program. The challenge shows you the blueprint of the business model, but the Publishing Academy helps you build faster and scale more efficiently. Now, you may be asking yourself, okay, well, can't I just make money by going through your free 3-day challenge and publishing books? 100% you can. We've had students who have gone through, and you'll see that in the SKOOL group if you just do some searches for different posts. We've had students who have gone through the free 3-day challenge and they've started making like $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a month by just using the information that's in the 3-day challenge. 100% you can do that. The Publishing Academy is just for people who want more structure and they want to see the whole business as a whole and really scale their income. So once again, you're not paying for secret information. You're paying for guidance, feedback, and speed. That's what you're getting inside the Publishing Academy. So why do people call things a scam? Here's the reality of what happens with most people, and I hope this is not you. Most people, they join a program and then guess what? They don't complete it. That's what happens with the majority of people. They join the program, they watch one video, then they forget about it and quit. Call it a scam. Or they join the program, they go through multiple videos. Maybe they join a call or two and they publish a book and they expect that book to produce immediate passive income, immediate big money months. And guess what? It doesn't. Their expectations don't meet the reality. So what do? They call it a scam. These are the people who call breathing oxygen a scam as well. It just doesn't make sense. This is a business, not a hobby. If you treat this like a hobby, it will pay you hobby income. If you treat this like a business, it will pay you business income. Hobbies don't pay you anything. So you have to treat it like a business. You have to show up and do the work. Without that, it will never work for you. It will never pay you what it could pay you. This is a business model first and foremost. This is not a lottery ticket. So if you show up and you do the work, you will make life-changing income. Not your first month, but 12 to 18 months down the road, 100%, you won't even recognize what your life is like right now. You know, I was just talking to one of our students, Cam, and what month is it? It's like March 29th when I'm filming this, and he joined last February of 2025, and it's March 2026 right now. And he just sent me a text, a screenshot of his dashboard. He's just hit 10K a month. And he's like, bro, I'm gonna surpass what I did in December, which was supposed to be my biggest month ever. And that's so super exciting. And he's right within that 12 to 18 months window. So why am I so confident and comfortable teaching this? Well, I've been doing this particular business model, self-publishing on Amazon KDP, since 2016, long before AI. I've been doing it old school. So 10 years, coming up in August, it'll be the 10th year since I published my very first book on Amazon. That's how long I've been doing this, right? I still publish books. We published one a couple of weeks ago. We're working on 2 more right now. I'm still actively publishing books. I'm still actively running Amazon ads. I'm still learning everything I can about this business. I am entrenched inside the publishing space as much as anybody can be because it is a massive source of income for me, not just course sales. I make a crap ton of money publishing books on Amazon, and that is just too much money to ignore. So I am constantly finding new ways of increasing my publishing income so I can show my students and all of you on YouTube how to increase your Amazon sales as well, right? I'm not one of those people on YouTube who are teaching like 15 different business models. I teach one. It's self-publishing on YouTube, and I'm only going to teach that because that's the business model that I love. It's the business model that I know the most on, and it's the business model that I think is the best for beginners to jump into the make money online space with. So you've probably figured out already who this business is for and who it's not for, but this business is not for people who just want instant money. It's not for people who want shortcuts. It's not for people who don't want to run ads or learn how to run ads. It's not for people who want to just get paid and do zero work. This business doesn't work for you. It's the opposite of that. This business is for people who want a challenge, who want something that's simple, but not easy. It's very, very simple, but it's not easy because there are going to be challenges. There are going to be things that you're going to have to learn. There is going to be a massive amount of skill sets that you have zero clue on right now, that you're going to have to learn all of these new skills in order to start making more money. And you need to know that coming into this. But this is a business for people who want to put an asset on Amazon and have that asset pay them money a decade or 2 decades later. I still get a check every single month for the books that I published 10 years ago, every single month. I want you to think about that. And these are books that I don't have to do anything with. They are just permanently enlisted on Amazon, and they just make money every single month. And they've done that for the last 10 years. And all I do now is create new assets, new books, and I publish them on Amazon. And those books are always going to make sales for the next 10, 20, 30, 40 years. So if you want something where you can build real assets, you want flexible income, you want location freedom. We live down in Mexico now. You want a system to follow, and you want structured support. Yeah, Publishing Academy, self-publishing on Amazon, phenomenal opportunity. So is the Publishing Academy a scam? No, it's a structured online education program that shows you how to build Amazon assets that pay you month after month. That's it. And if you still don't believe me, well, guess what we have? The 3-day Publish and Profit Challenge. Go join it. It's 100% free, and you're going to join it. You'll get a message from me on SKOOL. We can chat back and forth. You can see I'm a real person, and I actually really care about your success. So I like answering questions and being involved as much as I can to help you win, because self-publishing has changed my life, changed my family's life, and it's changed countless people's lives who have gone through the program and just self-published books on Amazon. So if you're serious about this, go ahead, click the link down in the description or in the pinned comment of this video, and I will see you inside. Peace.